soft and white. B is for bed where we sleep at night. C is for cabinet holding things inside. D is for desk where we read and write. Small and neat. F is for footstool to rest your feet. G is for glass shelf shining bright. H is for hanger holding clothes just right. I is for iron rack strong and tall. J is for jewelry box tiny and small. K is for kitchen stool by the bar. L is for lampstand lighting afar. M is for mirror frame on the wall. N is for nightstand beside the hall. L is for ottoman cozy and low. P is for picnic table in a row. Q is for quilt rack holding quilts tight. R is for rocking chair moving light. S is for sofa comfy and long. T is for table where friends belong. U is for umbrella stand near the door. V is for vanity with a drawer. W is for wardrobe tall and wide. X is for X-frame chair with crossing sides. Y is for yard bench under a tree. Z is for zigzag shelf, fun to see.
A is for amber aster, shining in the sun. Aster, colors make learning fun. B is for bluebell, blooming bright and blue. B is for bluebell, saying hello to you. C is for crimson carnation, curly and red. K carnation, petals widespread. D is for daisy, a dazzling golden sight. D is for daisy, glowing with delight. E is for emerald edelweiss, gentle and green. Blue edelweiss, soft and clean. F is for fuchsia, freesia, flaming pink and tall. Freesia, waving to us all. G is for golden gardenia, glowing like the dawn. Gardenia, shining on the lawn. H is for honey hibiscus, warm like sunset light. Hibiscus, colorful and bright. I is for ivory, iris, icy white and fair. Iris, dancing in the air. Sturdium, happy as you please. O is for orange, orchid, opening so wide. Orchid, beauty found inside. P is for purple, peony, puffy as a cloud. Peony, singing bright and loud. Q is for quartz, queen's cup, sparkling pale pink. Queen's cup, prettier than you think. R is for ruby rose, welling red and sweet. A rose, a lovely garden treat. S is for silver sunflower, shining tall and bright. Sunflower smiling in the light. T is for teal, tulip, twirling in the air. Tulip, dancing everywhere. U is for umber, ulex, tiny yellow-brown. Who likes flowers all around? V is for violet, verbena, violin to the eye. Verbena, waving to the sky. W is for white water lily, drifting soft and slow. Water lily, floating as they glow. X is for xanthic, chrysanthemum, sunny golden tone. Chrysanthemum,